Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Although the current version of Adobe Reader lets users save forms, older versions of Reader will not allow users to download and save forms. For this reason, it's a good idea to enable PDF forms so they can be downloaded and saved in older versions of Reader. Enabling forms also lets users add a digital signature to a form and enable other useful tools for digitally completing a form. To enable a PDF form for users, open the PDF form in Acrobat, and to best ensure you won't need to overwrite the enabled version later, ensure you have made all the editing changes you want to the form. Then select File, Save as Other, Reader Extended PDF, Enable More Tools includes Form Fill-In and Save from the menu bar. A message box will appear and show you the features you are about to enable. It also warns you that certain editing features will be restricted once you enable the form. Click the Save Now button to continue. Since you cannot edit enabled forms, it is a good idea to keep a backup copy of any PDF you intend to enable so you will have access to all of Acrobat's features if you need to edit the original form later. For this reason, it is best to enter a new file name for the enabled PDF into the File Name field in the Save As dialog box that appears. Some users just add the word enabled to the end of the existing file name. After naming the enabled PDF, click the Save button. At that point, Acrobat saves the enabled copy of the PDF. While it still may be possible to make minor last-minute changes to the enabled copy of the form that you can save if you happen to save the enabled copy of the form while in form editing mode using the Prepare Form toolbar, it is not often helpful. This is because you cannot ever edit this form again after you switch toolbar tools within the enabled form or close and reopen the enabled form. Therefore, any changes you save will never let you change them again in the future if needed. That's why it's always a better idea to save the editable copy of the form separately from the enabled copy. That way, if you need to make a new enabled copy in the future, you can just open the original form, make your changes, and then save another enabled copy or overwrite the old one.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.